Room full of women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to is Jodeci. Freaking you, freaking you.
Hello. No. Gala dinner is what? Oh. Ma, chill. Yeah. Ponto sack. Gala dinner is what? Already for gala dinner?
No. I am so nervous. I
never think. Guys, must say one baline. Omunke. Yeah. I can explain. I will do my papa. Are Devin she has to show up.
It's kind of simple because I know.
I am a woman. Let's go to the gala dinner, y'all. You know me, I'm not like a girl who does makeup and all that, but I tried, y'all. I tried. My jewelry is silver, so I did like eyeshadows, like silver and stuff. But yeah, I think I look good. So yeah, I'm gonna dress. I'm gonna do my dress, then yeah, I'm gonna go to the gala dinner and enjoy. So far the trip is awesome. The company is Pashash. Yeah, so let's go to the gala dinner. Hello. How's easy couple of top skippers?
With the affair was slow, ne? When I tired trophy, one after. Tired trophy. Keep brown, give us a blake.
Oh, it's like a thing of
more.
I guess.
Yes.
Okay, you must have.
I was seeing a little eyeliner. Yeah, and hands.
Yeah, and hands.
Yes. Wait, what are these little ones?
But I think because when I met Ama,
hey, who's
it's some corona.
I had a magina.
Skip. I get same. I get it. Hey!
Sent from heaven.
Say hello to my people. Say hi to my peeps. Say hi to my people. Yes. Why not? The bitch kitty what? Kitty what? Give us a light. No. Hey. Rolling. Hola.
I feel that Lawrence chef.
Guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I have a swimming as a dress, but I like this, and I wanna get it. We're gonna get it. Not for today only, but for other days. We're for gym as we speak. Like Hangikita gym, and it's very nice. They have beautiful dresses and very affordable leggings, gym leggings, dresses, skirts, so and shoes. They're very nice. So I'm thinking for I might start buying my clothes here at gym. So yeah. One DVD. Track okay. Do you have
Room full of beautiful women, but I'm on one. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is Jodeci. Freaking you. Is there a freaking you? Come and talk to me. Rush, baby, just like Kamora Lee. So pretty, girl, you belong in the gallery.
Okay.
Salad.
Kami siya na nagkasin.
Salad. And then it's very healthy.
Go.
Strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together because everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me. Dancing in moonlight, I know you are free, 'cause I can see your style.